How to add your bio in Facebook 2026 tutorial. Your Facebook profile is often the first thing people see when they search for you, and a blank bio is a missed opportunity to tell your story. In the next 2.5 minutes, I'm going to show you exactly how to add or update your bio on Facebook in 2026, whether you're on your phone or your computer. Welcome back, everyone. Today we're walking through how to add your bio on Facebook step by step. It's one of those simple profile touches that makes your page look complete, professional, and personal all at the same time. This works on both the mobile app and desktop, so follow along on whichever device you're using right now. Step 1. Open the Facebook app on your phone or go to facebook.com on your desktop, and make sure you are fully logged into your account. Everything we're doing today starts from your personal profile page. Step 2. On mobile, tap your profile photo or your name at the top of the app to go to your profile. On desktop, click your name or profile picture in the top left area of the homepage. This takes you directly to your personal Facebook profile. Step 3. Once you're on your profile page, scroll down slightly until you see the section that shows your intro panel. This is the box on your profile that displays your workplace, hometown, relationship status, and other quick details. Look for the button that says Edit Profile and tap or click it. Step 4. Inside Edit Profile, scroll until you see the bio field. It will either be empty with a prompt that says Add Bio, or it will show your existing bio if you've written one before. Tap or click directly on that field to open the text editor. Step 5. Type your bio into the text box. Facebook allows up to 101 characters for your bio, so keep it short, punchy, and meaningful. Think of it as your one-line introduction, your job, your passion, a fun fact, or whatever best represents who you are right now. Step 6. Once you're happy with what you've written, tap Save or click Save Changes. Your bio will immediately appear on your profile in the intro section, visible to anyone who visits your page depending on your privacy settings. Step 7. If you want to control who sees your bio, tap the Audience Selector button next to your bio field before saving. You can set it to public, friends accept, or only me depending on how much you want to share with the world. Pro tip: treat your Facebook bio like a first impression. Instead of just listing what you do, try combining your role with something personal. For example, teacher by day, weekend hiker, coffee obsessed, tells people far more about you than just a job title and makes your profile instantly more memorable and approachable. And that's everything you need to add your bio on Facebook in 2026. To recap, go to your profile, tap Edit Profile, find the bio field, write up to 101 characters, set your privacy preference, and hit Save. Done in under a minute once you know where to look. If this tutorial helped you out, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more simple Facebook and social media guides, and drop your new bio in the
अस्सलामुअलैकुम। ये
comments
हमारा एक
below.
और
I'd
सॉफ्टवेयर
love
है
to read them
विडजेन
and I
टर्बो
reply to
एआई
everyone.
वीडियो जनरेटर।
See
ये एक
you in
वीडियो
the next
जनरेटर
one.
ये